Hello everybody, today we're doing a PS5 HDMI port replacement, but before we dig in we gotta get it all cleaned out. We're also going to address any possible liquid metal displacement. Much better. Fun times, like a rug on there. Straight up like a rug. Man. Much better. Really bad displacement. Much better. Port prep. Let's get it off. Luckily no torn pads. Always a blessing. Just gotta clear these post holes out. Nicely. So I need more input from you guys. What do you want to see more of? I have more disaster stuff on the way. I know you guys love the salvage work where I have to, where we get to resurrect some, resurrect and salvage some really bad either DIY stuff or some stuff that supposed shop did. It's always fun. I really enjoy it. I was actually thinking about having some type of thing where people send in stuff that's really badly damaged and see if I could fix it. Something like that. I think that would be kind of neat. Let me know what you guys think, or if you guys have any ideas you'd like us to consider. Take it to the cleaner. It's kind of like a joke nickname that I came up with, because I constantly find us in the situation that we are resurrecting units. I actually enjoy it. I really enjoy this, repairing units. There are just some lines I draw in the sand, like roaches. Didn't come out quite as nice as I wanted, but it's still pretty nice. Let's test it out. Is it going to work? Yes, it looks like it is. Yay! Alright, so thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. If you'd like to show more support, we do have memberships, which includes some great perks. Otherwise, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. New videos dropped every Sunday.